A lot of you out there are really interested in my hair restoration services. I love hair because you love hair. We're able to style it, we can change our look, it gives us an identity, it gives us self-confidence. And when we're losing hair or if it's shedding, all that goes out the window. I'm Dr. John Leonardo. I'm a board-certified anesthesiologist. I'm a chronic pain specialist. In addition to these disciplines, I practice aesthetic, regenerative, and sexual medicine. I'm also on the medical advisory board for hair science, so I know a little something about hair. As a potential patient, we're going to schedule you for consultation. We're going to make note of pertinent medical history. I'm going to conduct a thorough physical exam to determine whether or not you're a suitable candidate for our therapies. Your treatment plan really should match your personality type. If you're the type of person that's very hands-off, you just want to come in for a procedure, then you're going to be more suited towards our One and Done PRP Hair Restoration procedure. If you're a type of person that can comply with directions on a daily basis, then we're going to go towards medicated drops, or we could actually do a combination of those two. Many of you have probably heard of PRP or PRF hair restoration, and like most people, you aren't really impressed. You haven't seen my work though. I have a one and done approach. I use a high quality double spin PRP system with a 120 cc blood draw. So we're getting a lot of platelets, a lot of growth factors, and a lot of therapeutic potential. We can also add exosomes to the treatment, such that it is a one and done approach. We do not need a series of 3. I haven't had to repeat a PRP hair restoration treatment sooner than a year in the past 7 years that I've been doing this one and done approach. This is perfect for medical tourism. We'll conduct a virtual consultation. You fly in, we do the procedure, and then you follow up virtually with me every 3 months. I perform a scalp ring block, so the procedure is very comfortable, but for those who really are afraid of needles and want to avoid it altogether, we have topical medicated formulas. Hair Science developed the 82 series of medicated topical drops. The baseline formula is 82M, M for minoxidil. Minoxidil is a fantastic medication that vasodilates and improves circulation to the hair follicles. The problem with over-the-counter concoctions is that it's formulated with propylene glycol, which is actually irritating to the follicles. So you're trying to deliver something therapeutic, but at the same time you're irritating the follicles and they just don't work very well. With 82M, we have minoxidil. It's also compounded with retinoic acid. Retin A makes the minoxidil behave twice as strong. You can only compound it to 5%. Anything higher than that is going to precipitate out of solution. In addition to these, we also have fluocinolone, which is an anti-inflammatory, because inflamed follicles don't work very well, so the fluocinolone is going to help soothe the follicles and it's really going to behave a lot better. 82M also has a fantastic texture, so it's great for styling hair. 82F, F for finasteride, has all the same ingredients as 82M, but has the finasteride added to the compound. Finasteride helps slow down the conversion of testosterone to DHT, dihydrotestosterone. DHT is really what's implicated in hair miniaturization and also male pattern baldness. Women are also affected by DHT. And the most recent formulation is 82D, D for dutasteride. Dutasteride is 5 times stronger than finasteride and has a much longer half-life, so it's much more forgiving for patients that aren't quite so compliant. With all of these formulations, twice daily dosing is required, and you have to be on this for at least 6 months. We may see improvement at 3 months, but it's usually at 6 months that we really see the fruits of our labor, and then we continue with it. If you have severe hair loss and your budget allows, we can do a combination of PRP along with our medicated formulations. If you're interested in having fuller, thicker hair, please contact our office. You can email at info@leonardomedicine.com. Once again, that is info@leonardomedicine.com. Or you can call our office at 647-223-4436. Once again, 647-223-4436. I'd be happy to help you.